Hey guys, today we're going to talk about mail merge. So, let's say you have a document and you want to send it to a bunch of people. You've got an email program. Now, let's say that you wanted to personalize your email. Now, how do you do that if you want to send it to a bunch of people? That's where mail merge comes in. So how do you do a mail merge? A simple mail merge can be done by creating a spreadsheet with some contents. So let's say you've got these people here. These are all random, by the way. So let's say, for example, we have these people and we want to send them that email. Now, with 2 recipients it's fine, but if you have like 55, 60 or more recipients, then to send that email personalized, or to create the document personalized, is going to be a big job. So that's when mail merge comes in. So what do you do? First, let's go and view toolbars. We want to see our mail merge toolbar. Now, with email, you've got an address list. With a mail merge, you've also got an address list. If you go on Tools and look at Address Book Source, that's going to give you the opportunity to load a set of addresses from a data source. You can load from various different sources, okay? And in our case, okay, there's a lot of different options. In our case, we're just going to use a spreadsheet because we know our recipients are in a spreadsheet. Yeah. You will then need to assign fields. So since an address book contains various fields like first name, last name, and all the general contact information, one would want to set it up. Now over here we click OK, and we're gonna save it. Now let's give this address book a name. Here we're gonna call it recipients book. Okay, now once we created the data source, so we have the recipients book, we say pick the recipients from table sheet 1. Now these fields are already assigned, so yeah, so you click OK, and now once you created the address book, you can go on to mail merge wizard and you can say I'm going to use the current document. So this is going to create your mail merge. You're going to use the current document. You want to set it up as an email, and you're going to choose your address book. here. That's it. You can create a salutation. You don't have to. I'm not going to worry about this thing. That's it. So we have a mail merge. As you can see, this one changed to 1 instead. It was different before. So that means you can navigate between your recipients. Now, one thing that one needs to do before actually being able to send emails from LibreOffice Writer as well is configure your email client. And that can be done over here. You want to make sure that you have your server settings set up, otherwise you won't send any emails. You can get these from either an existing either an existing email program that you have. You can just copy and paste them, like copy them and use the same ones. Or if you don't have an email client or email software, you can check with your service provider, your email service provider, and they'll give you that information. So you'll need to set it up. Once that's set up, you're ready to go. You have a number of options here. Now, before actually sending the email, because this is not going to work like this, if you guys see over here, next mail merge entry, okay, you're changing records. Now, you should see a difference here. So what do? Now, the next step is to insert the fields in the document. By that we mean the specific information about each individual. You need placeholders for that. So you're going to insert field, more fields, mail merge fields. Okay, and there, as you can see, you've got all the fields that were available in the spreadsheet. Now, what we want to do is we want to insert these fields in the document. So let's say we want to display the name. Well, we just click on name, double click on name, or click insert. Now we want to insert the address. We double click on address. We might have some maybe other information. That's it. Close. Now, if we navigate, we will see the personalized information. Yeah. So, if we open our spreadsheet just to confirm, let's have a look at our spreadsheets. Okay. Oops. So you've got Lisa at 35, yeah, etc, etc. All right, so yeah, and Chrissy at 23. So what we're going to do next is we have a number of options. You can save the documents. You can save them as a large document, or you can save them as individual documents. You can also print the documents, but what we're going to do is we're going to send them as an email. So You click on send, you choose the to field. Okay, you need to choose the field which is going to be an email address, which is this one in this case. You type in a subject, say hello, for example, and yeah, you can send it as a PDF, whatever the case may be. Send all documents, and you can also choose a CC and a blind carbon copy. Yeah, and that's it. You send the documents and they're off. Done. So by rights, these two people would have received an email. Now, because they've got an invalid email address, because I've typed in an invalid email address here, I would expect a response to say, hey, I couldn't deliver that message because, well, it's invalid. So let's see if we've actually received something to say that the emails haven't been delivered. And here you go. Mail delivery failed because chrissy@myhome.com, and this is the email. So yeah, so there you go. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching, and yeah.